Shadowing is a speaking practice where you listen to English and repeat what you hear at the same time, or just after the speaker. It helps you improve pronunciation, rhythm, and confidence. Today, we will practice shadowing together. How to do shadowing. 1. Listen to the audio once without speaking. 2. Play it again and repeat each sentence, copying the speed and tone. 3. Focus on pronunciation, stress, and rhythm. 4. Don't worry about mistakes, just keep going. Practicing 5 to 10 minutes a day will help you speak naturally. Shadowing practice example. Let's try. Listen and repeat after me. Every morning, I go for a walk. The air is fresh and the streets are quiet. I like walking because it helps me think clearly. Repeat this 3 times, matching my speed and voice. Remember, the goal is to sound as close as possible to the speaker.